Hi, my name is Jim Tucker Solfield. I'm a musician from London. This is page 3 of the beginner's guitar course, using words to describe music. What are the words that we use when we talk to someone else about the music or the sounds that we have heard? Senor Orange has got a very funny face. He's thinking hard about all of these different words. First he says, when we talk about music, we need to think about what the sound is like and try to describe it with words. Do you know what these words mean? Fast, pitch, quick, loud, slow, speed, happy, quiet, low, rhythm, notes, sad, high. So music is made up of two main things, pitch and rhythm. Can you find them on the page above? When we say pitch, we mean how high or low the notes are. When we talk about rhythm, we mean how many times the note or beat is played and in what way. The learning objectives for this page are to help children understand that words can be used very carefully to describe music and sound that they've heard before. Obviously, the list here only shows a few words, but there are so many you can choose from. Talk to your child about the different kinds of words you use when you talk about music. Over the next few weeks, we will be sharing lots more pages from part 1. You can visit our YouTube channel to see all of the other videos. There's worksheet pages with music and songs that you can join in with. Can you think of someone who would really love to get involved in what we're doing? Maybe they've got a young child, or maybe they've just started learning an instrument. I'm sure they'd love to join in. If you're not sure what to do next, you can just ask us a question. You can leave a message in the comments below or send us a message. Why not sign up to our courses at mozoisland.co.uk? See you soon.